At the Oceanside Barnard campus, you can park in the designated parking space for locker pickup located in parking lot 3E. Make your way up the ramp and you will see the smart lockers in the courtyard of the 3500 and 3600 buildings. If you request to pick up technology in the smart lockers, library staff will create an account for you with our smart locker provider, Luxor One. You will be notified via email by Luxor One when your item is ready for pickup, and you will be given a passcode and QR code used to retrieve your library technology. You will have 72 hours to pick up your equipment before your request is canceled. We have wheelchair accessible lockers that you can request when you select the smart lockers for pickup. If you requested a wheelchair accessible locker, your items will be held in one of the lower level lockers. On the touchscreen display, press Begin Pickup. Enter your passcode or scan the QR code given in the email. Next, sign your name on the signature line provided. The locker door will open with your equipment inside. Please close the door securely. Press Exit on the display screen, and you are done.